How to brand a product from scratch. This will include coming up with the brand strategy, the mood boards, different name options and designs before settling on one, and then rolling it out into a full-on brand that includes package design, marketing collaterals, and a full-on launch party. Here are the 3 steps we follow to create a brand. We start with discovery. This is where we get to know everything about the brand you want to create. What makes you different? Who are your competitors? Who are your target audience, and why should they pick you? We also use these brand personality sliders to determine how you want your brand to be perceived. Next, we develop the strategy, starting with your product. Angostura is our client. Yes, the same legendary brand behind the bitters, the rums, and the carbonated soft drinks. They wanted a bold new line of Jamaican-inspired, ready-to-drink premium rum beverages. One of the secret ingredients? Horny goat weed, a confidence booster known for igniting bold adventures. The target audience? Party-goers and thrill-seekers who love spontaneous fun clubbing with their friends and Jamaican dancehall vibes. The brand story? This drink is for the trailblazers, the rule breakers, the ones who turn ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. Ignite bold adventures. The brand personality is that of the maverick, a rebel like Rihanna, bold, independent, and fearless. Now that we have the branding framework, we put together 3 mood boards for the look and feel of the brand. Mood board 1 is playful, fresh, energetic, bold colors, lively typography, tropical spirit. Names we brainstormed include Wild Ting, One Love, Cloud 9. Mood board 2 was modern, bold, and dynamic. We used a color palette and graphics that were clean, punchy, and confident. Names for the products include Blitz, Everhigh, Code Green. Mood board 3 was psychedelic, groovy, and retro. It projected a funky, hypnotic vibe. Names included 420, High Tide, Green Blaze. The client loved mood board 1 and 3, but wanted something that was less retro and more bold and playful. They also shortlisted the names 420, Wild Ting, and Code Green. Now we go to the design phase. Based on the chosen mood boards, we presented our logo concept. Logo 1, 420, inspired by Angostura's legacy logo, we reimagined it with wild hand-drawn energy, explosive colors, swirling gradients, pure nightlife celebration. For concept 2, Code Green, the logo took inspiration from the Jamaican flower hibiscus. We portrayed a Caribbean escape with fluid sunset illustrations, tropical, relaxed, and vibrant. Concept 3, Wild Ting. Here, Jamaican tribal prints meet modern playfulness, bold, authentic, and untamed. For concept 4, another Code Green, a mischievous weed mascot, stamp textures, underground attitude, for those who don't play by the rules. Out of these 4 concepts, the client liked the psychedelic art direction of Wild Ting, the name 420, and the mischievous rebel mascot. So, we hand-drew the 420 word mark, added our playful leaf mascot, firebirds for freedom carrying arrows that pointed to the mascot, island waves for Caribbean vibes, and electric bursts for dancehall chaos. And that's how we brought 420 to life. A bold, Jamaican-inspired brand for nightlife, dancehall energy, and wild, unforgettable memories. We backed it up with high-energy messaging like 420 nights hit different. Turn up, never down. Jamaican-born, party ready. Be sure to check out their brand on Instagram at 420 The Rebel. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit subscribe. I share branding breakdowns that show how we turn ordinary brands into iconic brands.